Okay, so let's be real for a second. You're out here handling it all, work, family, everybody's needs, and still there's that quiet thought that keeps coming up. There's more for me. I get it because I've been there and I understand. I'm Taylor M. LaSane, CEO at SHYNE, and I founded Dream Day because I know exactly how it feels to look successful on paper, but feel stuck, burnt out, and unsure about how to access your next. I could tell you stories upon stories about the transformational takeaways that the women who attended our last Dream Day left with, but I'll share their testimonials another time. Instead, I'm going to tell you what the very first Dream Day did for me, and that is it gave me the courage to keep going and the plan and the community I needed to actually plan another Dream Day and to scale things bigger and better and to believe that there was more. And that's exactly what I want for you, to believe that there's more and to do bigger and better things. So, what is Dream Day? Is it networking? Is it a brunch? Is it a motivational talk? No, none of that. Dream Day is actually a live coaching experience for high achieving women to get clear, to pause, and to walk away with a plan they can actually follow. So we use my Build to Shine framework to help you lead with purpose, get your mindset and your faith aligned to what you're called to do, understand yourself more so you can leverage your gifts, your skills, your abilities, design the habits that you need to actually match your future, build community, and then take aligned action to becoming this bigger, better, bolder version of yourself instead of just dreaming about her. So we're going to do this in a way that actually feels real, practical, tangible, not just emotional. And I know it can feel like a lot to invest in yourself, especially when you're used to pouring into everyone else first. But here's what I've learned. Staying stuck costs way more than investing in a Dream Day ticket. So Dream Day actually costs less than a weekend trip, a few therapy sessions, and yet it can give you clarity and a plan that's going to impact your whole year or even your life. So this is an investment that's going to pay you back in alignment, in peace, and in forward momentum. And honestly, in the bag too, because if you've got alignment and peace and momentum, chances are you got the money to match that. So picture this. It is August 2nd. You are in Atlanta, Georgia, and you walk into a beautiful, warm space that welcomes you with other women who actually get it. And then you spend the day reflecting and journaling and planning and praying while you actually build out your roadmap for what's next in your life and your career. And we're going to have good food, real conversation, and we're going to leave with more than just inspiration. We're going to leave with clarity and momentum to do the things, to be the us that we know that we can be. And we're going to have fun because I am not a rah-rah, intense type of coach. If you need a Yanla to fuss at you in order for you to find transformation, I'm not her, she's not me, this ain't that. But I am going to facilitate a space that makes you feel safe, that makes you feel seen, and that allows you to walk into that bold transformation that you and I both know you have. So for $375, you're investing in a day that's going to help you live your purpose with confidence. So if you've been waiting for a sign to take a step forward, then this is that sign, okay? Get out of your head and get into some aligned action. Click the link right now to save your spot for Dream Day. I cannot wait to see you there.